am on my way to South Coast Plaza, Costa Mesa, California to preview the new Hermes store at the mall. It's been in the works for quite some time. They took over the Tiffany location. I've heard it's been quite a ruckus over there, so I guess we'll see what we're in for. This is the new Hermes store. Again, in the old Tiffany location, across from Chanel. Open on March 4th at 10:30. It's like a much bigger store than their last location in South Coast. Some more home goods than they've had in the past. There's been some pretty sought after tea sets. So pretty soon we'll go inside and see what they'll allow us to take videos of.